poppin' YouTube? Of course, it's your boy Q the Flu, Chicago Q. We back up in the building with another video, man. Yo, some slight work coming your way. Got a package. We gonna get into that in a minute. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, holla at your boy in the comment section. You already know how we do around here. Welcome to the family, Full Gang TV. Let's get it. Yo, so we got a new package. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are hating on this thing. You know what I'm saying? Hating on these guys right here. But, you know, look. I thought these shits were incredibly dope. You know, as a Yeezy fan, as a Chicagoan, you see we repping in the Chicago Bulls joint. You know, Ye, you know what I'm saying? We love Ye. He be tripping, but we love Ye. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, with that being said, he dropped a dope new Yeezy 700 silhouette. You know, a couple of days ago, supposed to be Yeezy supply exclusive, whatever. It's been a while since I've bought a Yeezy, just bought a Yeezy from the shop or whatever. For me personally, I wasn't sure if I were gonna keep these guys, but as you can see, Yeezy Boost 700. You know what I'm saying? These are the magnet colorways. Box, we're gonna keep this nice, quick, and simple. You know, the Yeezy box seem like, you know, you've seen these things a million times by now. Ain't switching nothing up, but bam bam, gang gang, we got the joints right here ready for everybody. So let's kind of get into it. All right, so really quickly, we're gonna bring that thing up. We're not even gonna take it to the table. Yo, these are perhaps the closest thing to me, you know what I'm saying, to the Wave Runner colorway. I thought I would like these things online, you know, online. I thought I liked the colorway, the remnants, the kind of mock-ups of this colorway, you know, online. But having these things in person, these shits are fire. The closest thing you gonna get to a Wave Runner out of any of the 700s that they've come out with, whether B1, B2, whatever these, the closest thing you gonna get to it, man. I really thought that it was dope that they gave you that classic Wave Runner-esque kind of sole with the cream, the orange, kind of 3M hits right here, and that little slight color block, you know, splash right here. But then you got gum soles. You got gum soles with these guys. The grays, you know, gray can be hit or miss on a lot of sneakers, but you know, the different shades of gray really set this thing off, man. The only thing they definitely probably could have did a little different with this one is, yo, man, yay, give us our 3M. I'm a 3M fanatic, 3M junkie. We gotta have the 3 stripes and the 3M right there, man. But outside of that, man, these things are beautiful, gorgeous. They look even better on feet. Perfect for your fall. You know what I'm saying? Perfect for your fall attire. You know what I'm saying? And really just swagging these out, man. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep these things, but after putting them on feet, walking around in them, putting them together a little bit, these shits are definitely gonna be a banger in my collection. I only probably gonna need maybe 3 700 colorways. Waves, of course, that's number 1. These probably take over from the mauve colorway and become number 2. And then, yo, them analog joints, low key, are sleepers. Them shits are fire too, man. I'm mad I didn't get a pair of those, you know, when I could have got a pair for $200 brand new. But yo, these are it, man. Y'all let me know in the comment box, man, how y'all feel about these. I'm about to go ahead and slide y'all into that on feet. You know, give y'all a quick look at how these guys look, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it in the comment section. Let's get it. You saw the on feet, again, dope or nope. Let me know. And that's it for the video, man. We gonna end this thing off, man, a little different this time around. You know what I'm saying? Of course, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You know what I'm saying? As we proceed to give you what you need, man. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for supporting. You know, the shoe game sick, man. You already know how we rocking this Flu Game TV. Gang.